How to use Temu promo code. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Temu is already installed on a device. If not, head over to your app store and then install it. Once you have it on a device, simply open the app. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on its home page. Now what you want to do is head over to U at the bottom and then move into coupons and offers. It will be landing you on space. In here, first of all, you have to make sure that you have the valid promo code. Once you have the promo code, simply enter it in this section. Once you have entered, tap on apply over here. If the promo code is valid and correct, then it will be applied successfully. And at the time of the purchase, you'll receive certain amount of offers or discount. So just make sure that the promo code is valid and correct, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use Temu promo code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.